PGYTech have been at it again, adding to their large array of Osmo Pocket accessories with a rather ingenious little mount, the data port to Coldshoe and universal mount. The name of this small mount pretty much sums it up, incorporating a Coldshoe and standard GoPro mounting point into one small unit. Constructed of lightweight ABS plastic in a single injection molded process, meaning one piece with no smaller pieces to break away, the unit feels robust in the hand, and with the Osmo Pocket data port clear of any other adapters, the mount just slides into place, a very firm slide that is, with that tight fit holding it firmly in place. What we have now is a universal mount for attachment to hand grips, selfie poles, strap mounts or any other such mounting solutions, as well as a Coldshoe mount to one side for attaching a microphone or a video light. Whatever your flavour, it makes for a very neat and tidy setup. What's more, blend this in with the range of other PGYTech mounts, such as the L bracket mount we've taken a look at in a previous video, and with a wireless module attached to the bottom, we can start to see how versatile this little mount can actually be. At less than $10, if you're looking to use a microphone or video light alongside your Osmo Pocket, then you won't get any more compact than this. Rigid and secure, the data port to Coldshoe and universal mount provides for a versatile little unit that comes well recommended.